everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make the best quick and easy taco stuffed shells. These are absolutely delicious and they are quick to make. If you would like to see it, just keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video for me if you enjoy it, and leave me a comment below if you're going to try this out. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. All right, everyone, these are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. Please check the description box below for the measurement. I have some ground beef, some mild salsa, and of course the jumbo pasta shells. And I have cheese and as well as some taco seasoning. And of course, you can add any other seasonings to this if you like, but for today's recipe, we're only using taco seasoning. Let's get started. To begin, I am going to start by boiling my pasta. So I'm adding a little bit of water to a saucepan. I am also adding some salt to it. I am going to cover it. Once that comes to a boil, we're going to add our pasta right in there. Once you're done adding your pasta to your boiling water, give it a quick stir so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Once your pasta is done cooking, it's al dente, you're going to remove it. Pour out the hot water so the pasta doesn't continue to cook, and we're going to move on to our ground beef. To cook the ground beef, I am going to place it to a cold skillet, and we're going to use our wooden spoon to break the ground beef apart, okay? I'm going to season the ground beef once it's no longer pink. Do not season it while it's pink or red, okay? Just make sure you cook it before you start seasoning. Now for the seasoning I'm using taco seasoning by McCormick. You can use any other seasoning that you like. You can even add more seasoning to this taco seasoning if you want. Once you're done adding your seasoning, you're going to stir it, very important. And then we're going to add our salsa. I am using mild. You can use hot or you can use just the regular one if you like. This is such a quick recipe, genius. You can even make this just regular tacos with this. You don't have to really, it's so quick. It's just so quick to me, so. So now all you have to do is let that simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. The aroma in my kitchen right now is to die for. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. So now it's time to stuff those shells. I am going to use my baking dish. Just place those shells right in there, and then you're going to use your ground meat. Just stuff it in there, add cheese, and add anything else that you need to add on this and bake it. So once I am done stuffing my shells, I am going to add the cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. Basically, this right there is up to you. Once you're done, you get to that part, it's up to you to add however much cheese you want to add in. Like I always telling you guys, I show you guys the basic and you can put your own twist to it. So you don't have to do it exactly like I did. just add your own twist. That's what I love about cooking. It's an art. You just, do your own thing. Make it yours. Follow your taste buds, So we're going to add the cheese on there. You can use yellow cheddar cheese if you want, mozzarella, whatever. And then you're going to pop this in the oven on 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes just to melt the cheese. And basically, y'all, once it is done, it is ready. I'm ready for this Taco Tuesday, y'all. This is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. How quick was this? This recipe is extremely easy, so you got to try it out. So quick, so delicious. So try this out for your family. And also, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like the video. I see you watching. I see you enjoying this video, so why not give your girl a like? Because that helped me a lot, guys. When you like my videos, YouTube recommend it to other people. You want other people to watch this, so please like it and share it if you can. I'm not asking for much. Thank you for watching. As usual, the measurement will be below. I will see you all on the next recipe. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.